gray, and create an outfit using different tones of that color. For the daytime, opt for a well-fitted black suit with a gray shirt and black accessories for a sleek and professional look. As the night approaches, lose the suit cha. Kit and add a stylish pattern tie or pocket square to add a touch of personality and flair to your ensemble. 8. The preppy style. If you prefer a more polished and sophisticated look, the preppy style is an excellent option for transitioning from day to night. Start with a pair of tailored shorts or chinos in a classic color navy or beige. Pair it with a well-fitted polo shirt and boat shoes for a stylish daytime outfit. For the evening, switch to a pair of tailored trousers in a matching color and add a lightweight blazer for a more refined and elegant look. 9. The casual cool look. For a laid-back and effortlessly cool vibe, opt for a casual yet stylish outfit that easily transitions from day to night. Start with a pair of slim-fit jeans in a medium wash and pair it with a and white or graphic t-shirt for a relaxed daytime look. As the sun sets, switch the t-shirt for a fitted button-down shirt and add a denim or leather jacket for a more edgy and fashionable appearance. 10. The summer essential. During the warmer months, it's essential to have versatile outfits that keep you cool and stylish throughout the day. Start with a pair of tailored shorts in a light and breathable fabric like linen or cotton. Pair it with a lightweight and colorful short-sleeved shirt for a vibrant and comfortable daytime look. To transition into the night, swap the shorts for a pair of lightweight trousers in a similar color and add a suede or canvas jacket for a more elevated and sophisticated summer ensemble. 11. The business casual ensemble. Business casual attire is a popular choice for many workplaces and can also be easily transformed from day to night. Start with a pair of tailored trousers in a neutral color such as gray or navy. Pair it with a button-down shirt in a classic pattern like checks or stripes for a professional look during the day. To transition into the evening, swap the shirt for a fitted polo or a stylish sweater. And add a blazer for a more polished and sophisticated appearance. 12. The weekend casual look. For a relaxed and comfortable outfit that can be worn from day to night on the weekends, start with a pair of well-fitted jeans in a medium wash. Pair it with a comfortable and casual t-shirt or a polo shirt for a laid-back daytime look. As the evening approaches, switch to a button-down shirt in a relaxed fit and roll up the sleeves. Add a lightweight jacket or a cardigan for extra warmth and style. 13. The formal attire. For special occasions that require a formal dress code, it's important to have a versatile outfit that can transition smoothly from day to night. Start with a well-tailored suit in a classic color navy or charcoal gray. Pair it with a crisp white shirt and a tie in a subtle pattern or solid color for a sophisticated daytime look. As the night falls, remove the tie, unbutton the top button, and add a pocket square for a more relaxed and elegant evening ensemble. 14. The creative and artistic look. If you have a creative and artistic profession or simply want to showcase your unique style, this outfit is perfect for a day-to-night transition. Start with a pair of slim-fit trousers in a vibrant color or pattern. Pair it with a plain t-shirt in a complementary color and add a tailored blazer for a stylish daytime look. To transition into the evening, switch the t-shirt for a patterned or graphic shirt and add a statement accessory like a bold hat or a unique piece of jewelry.